Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. This thing is really, really nice. Smells great in here. Kind of a step back into time. It definitely smells like the 80s here. Nice fresh scent though. Non-smoker. I mean, just look how clean this thing is. Incredible. You have a tinted front windshield, so it cuts out all that heat and preserves this beautiful dash. This thing is really, really cool. Suspension is very smooth because of that long wheelbase. Now you also have the factory setup here as well, the factory radio that is included with the car, but you have that upgraded Apple CarPlay, Android Auto unit there. Really nice. She's driving really nice. Power steering is good. No complaints of drivability. Very nice rig. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Got the Michelin LTXs. Date code 2018. Looks good. Love the wheels. Of course, you're gonna have some flaws in here. A couple little touch-up spots, a few small chips. A few little touch-up spots here. Little wear marks, little chips. Just typical stuff, but overall this thing looks pretty sweet. Like I said, little chips, little flaws here and there. Got some touch-up spots in here. A little touch-up there. Just kind of throughout the bed. That wheel looks good. Normal wear in here. Looking at the front end, you're going to have typical impacts and chips and touch-up. Trying to get underneath here. That wheel looks good. Got some paint fading here. Some light scratches. A few little dings on the side, very subtle. Overall, the body panels look good. Checking out the wheels. Finish looks awesome. LTX MS's. Got the Michelins. Got the chrome diamond plate bumper. It looks cool. We got some dents and dings and scratches, typical wear. You got a backup camera. flaws here and there. All right, looking at this interior, this thing is wicked. Seats look incredible. Love the floor mats. Has that amazing smell in it. Non-smoker. I mean, just really kind of a step back in time. Now you do have a little rip right there. These are original. So instead of replacing it with an aftermarket piece, they kind of liked the more originalness of the seat and just leave the flaw. Now if you want that repaired, they do make a piece that goes here and wraps around and repairs that, or you can just have somebody spot repair it. But you know, your color is going to be off a little bit, so they liked the originalness of the seat, and that's the only flaw there. The rest of that seat is incredible. I'm looking at the door panel. You're going to have some wear up here, probably some sun damage, little things like that. Looks like some of it has been kind of repaired. Wood grain, incredible. That looks good. Jams look nice. I love the floor mats though. Looking at the steering wheel, nice and clean. And then another thing too, just like the passenger side, first click, second click. You don't have to slam these. They are aligned perfect. When you open it, they don't dip. Just glides out. Absolutely perfect. Fires right up. Then you have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto upgraded screen here, so you can do the Bluetooth and all that good stuff. Really nice screen. Upper side of the dash looks beautiful. That's in great condition. You do have a little star here from a rock chip. Got the tinted front glass. I mean, look how clean that steering wheel is. The wood grain looks incredible. Gauges look good. Very nice piece here. All right, looking at this door panel. That looks incredible. Yeah, this is popping out just a little bit, but man, look at the wood. Looks really, really nice. That is incredibly clean. Love the floor mats. Looking at that seat, cushion's nice and soft. Overall, in great condition. Incredible. And of course, that's the coolest part right there. Looks really good. Couple flaws here and there on the headliner, a few little spots, but otherwise that's in great condition. You got a tinted front windshield, keeps it nice and cool in here and preserves the dash. That dash looks good. All the vents look nice. Incredibly clean. And this is the coolest part. First click, second click, the door shut. You don't have to slam it. The alignment is absolutely perfect. Alright, scanning through the engine bay. The engine bay was not detailed, just to kind of preserve wiring and things like that and not get water in here. It's kind of all original looking. The day code on the battery, 2023.